ladies, this is another in a series of videos, and we'd like to talk today about the plain language information sheets. Now, we give this to every person that comes to us or asks. In fact, you should get this from every doctor that does cosmetic-based surgery, because in Australia, the Australian Medical Board from October 2016 has decreed that this is what should happen. So the topics it talks about are the range and possible outcomes of the procedure. It discusses also what the procedure involves, the risks and possible complication with the procedure, and you see with breasts there are multiple pages to it. It also then goes into all the process of how you can handle the possibility of revisions, long-term effects, recovery times, my qualifications and complaints process. We actually ask that if you go ahead with a surgery, you'll initial off against each area so you've read. In fact, we go one further. We have a staff member medically trained to call you up and they guide you through. So by the time you've come to surgery, you've had a consultation with me, you've had this form, you've had a chance to digest this form and have initial that you've read each part. My staff have called you and answered any questions, and I will go through it again with you at the informed consent process, which will reconfirm on the day of the procedure. So you get the idea that that you've understood everything in great detail. Backed onto that is you've had a chance to research everything and see if there's a particular worry for you. We do this because we want people to understand the nature and all the risks involved. Even though when you have major operations that are not cosmetic, you may sign a single-page document of risk for catastrophes that can happen. We know that this is important for you because it's a cosmetic thing, the shape, the look, the appearance, so we want you to understand completely. So take the time to read these plain language informations, and if you have questions, just ring up. We're there for you. So I hope this helps you, and we'll catch you later.